Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Mejo Suminia, Mechia, Mutifunia, and pay. Now, my mamu ability Founders Day.
Founders Day celebration, Ekoyi.
Oh, Ekoyi is one of the best celebrations. And make sure say team. Monkache President Rampa is ready to go throughout all the country to make sure the celebration is successful. But the person of fire papa NCC boss deputy on fire papa ye feel anti this government kofobia just say a celebration yambo de rule NCC juma I so rather mono deputy minister mono a different thing. Different thing. They are not supporting the government. Or they are and the Minister of Information so and also Medin Huyao because the way I can say yamma they know education call and talk about Sumuno Ganya and a tourism minister so young fire no or you're useless because you so you should the day no to promote tourism. And you know I don't know what they are doing. President Nado, shine your eyes. Now ministers need their bomb. What do I say? Hey, I'm a bomb. And the MCC for the NCC in there. Almost there's ample for the say. You enjoy budgetary support. Almost a useless institution.
Lawyer, it's not just a say a celebration no a yadi anke ye. Then so a son faso dia no yentimia and shama and timia more minus so.
Oh yeah, definitely. I have Founders Day. They are almost funded the nation. Like President Eddie Idina good. You forget about the politics behind it. And this is for them to come with them. Some people make other parties even to follow. I understand them. They will not be happy. But state institutions are the taxpayers are more. Now President did the vision. Abba say your Founders Day. Now you have NCC and Mohudero now politics are coming no more. Now you have Minister of Tourism. Creative industry, what did he organize? What they were able to say, you have to think on your feet. There should be something on the table because passing law, not check. There should be activities. What do I say? There is Minister of Information. Minister of Information, but these are the things, popular. But look at the way people are now castigating the government. Said they look at only for some years because nothing happened, nothing tangible, economically, politically happened. What do I say? Look at those days. Say 1st July, meet me there. They were then 18 team, then 18 team that them near there. That day near Scarborough. Near the Founders Day abide. We should have also organized something here. Canada, you penny Joe, you're chilling. What did I say? Despite all our troubles, coming in any your frustration, any your demone, and which take a cry, you're born a chilling there, you need your football chilling, a pop. So now holidays, you think they are going to have organized holidays, tourism industry, domestic tourism, now your program. People are the day, Satawale look for our organizing program. On that day, Founders Day, big party, something. Tourism minister on NCC so Mbodo upon Kuma so the lam. What do I say? And what is happening? The government, what is happening? Then happening. What is the pastor house for Omukuno? What do I say? I'm a food on my own. Not then Sunday and Monday betum. What would the benefit? I'm a for digger. Hotels for Indiga, when I say beach, beach and Diga, Papa for Indiga. They're not a dry sand and everything because there's no activities. People are not thinking on their feet. That's it.
Now, what about the sand a day in a year would they?
Well, then I say, me share the brain behind. Say, on my move, Nandi the paddle door, Abwana, Yenya for the Amani Pabako. I don't. When we have founders of this nation, Nkuma fi in a buyer, Nkuma fi for your father buyer. No buyer, no, but 2 almost share. Agona say, Abojin is right. almost share agitation. I say, now in Kofu 60, near boy, we are playing a role. Now, and I'm some Kofu role play, you know. Yeah, but say you recognize those roles now. It's good than to only limit ourselves to Nkrumah. Oh, the idea. And to me, no, the Founders Day, no, the word of Founders Day, it should be well celebrated. Oh, the idea. And you know, I was expecting a program lineup and activities, sir. They know NCC should have taken up the challenge. If MCC actually proposed a Biako presidency, and now Ministry of the Budget Ministry, the Ministry of Finance, and now the appropriate court say, oh, the day by the lineup program of activities are educating Ghanaians, district, Founders Day lecture, Founders Day sensitization talk, something. Then you have a tourism ministry at the home. A vocation like Sunday and Monday. When to plan the activities to the Founders Day, we know. And the first for information minister, information better than my. What do I say? At least we must start the day. You must I didn't know. What do I say? Socialization. We should socialize them in that day. Founders Day, no. Like a debate all over. Yeah, quiz. Socialization. Yeah, chilling. What do I say? Now, you have fanfare. What do I say? Now, you very, very important in our calendar. Say every 4th August, no, that day, what do I say? Yeah, Sunday and Monday, I bet Chumbwa, your economy, no, I'm benefited. Your business people are benefited. The media people are benefited. The house are kwasa, and they never two. And now people like MCC in 2040. Me, I can make budget. That's to see because you don't come home in this right. You don't come NCC in this right. You don't come. But some conform leaders no more. Omunya share politics omuye. Omuye anti-MPP. Some conform to MCC. Any should boss. Omuye anti-MPP. They need to be fired. And the Minister of Information there. Upon woman who won a madam for no, or you know, and when Ronaldo so fire a tourism minister, or you're useless because Nigeria they drink, they take advantage of an occasion. Oh, my mother, you're not sure.
Ada enya asa ho pribi wapre ho na wo de judge wo de crucify NCC for instance because minim say minum yo na fe ne ye be frɛ ye guso aye frɛ mo de na ye nim say wo mo de bibi ko na bi aban amfa ma wo mo aya na Ghana for we are not being fair to NCC lawyer no be yadwe because akade say wo mo de ye adwuma no wo mo nya akade na esi den and you come crucify mo za
we don't need academia to review. We don't need academia. Let me tell you, in life, you don't need money. You don't need resources. Physical cash. You don't need money to start a business. You don't need sika to do anything in life. What you need in life is strategy and passion to do anything. Strategy and passion. If you have passion for what you do, you don't wait for money. If you have a strategy, you make money. And you know, if you line up the day and you tell all your district and district say, look, Founders Day is crucial. So everybody should do something. Let's start something for the government to know. Say, even before the 4th August, no. Now, 1 week and 2 weeks, they still 1 month, the August in there, they still sensitization. Don't you see that if you do that and you put a proposal, they will accept it. You don't need money. That is my worry. You told me when they be scared, you very scared here, and the baby anyway by you. Meaning, what way, you pay them more, and then you here to do the program. But you have a passion, you have a strategy, and that is what we need in this country. That is not how we move a nation. A nation leaders more passion. A nation leaders more strategy. You know, they do things. They don't wait for money. And the NCC follow their failure because they always sit down and then they don't plan. How do you make money if you don't have strategy? How do you make money? If you don't have passion, how do you do your work? What are you talking about? This is yes, 92. He couldn't carry them NCC and Shraj. Mr. Hussein for so many more. Mr. Hussein for so many pana, was Shraj. Any NCC, you can't quantify it. Anyhow.
But lawyer, what to me can say NCC, one more bosses, Yamami Josephine Nkrumah and a poundful. One more year anti-MPP.
Yes.
I don't know to make such a harsh word, the mouth.
Yes, let me tell you something. Unim say they have a core mandate, and their core mandate is only limited to say, book constitution with the rule. No, make sure say, team for better civic education more responsibility. Then you have the MCC boss leaving that core mandate. Now he went and attacked, say, the government of the day, appointees, they are engaging in corruption and public interest activities. That is what the woman came out to say. The appointees and the public officers in this country are engaging in conflict of interest situation, corruption, and abuse of office. Is that part of mandate? Is that part of your mandate? Is that part of this thing? What I say? How did you hear? Then currently, the deputy, or raising on other issues are any relevant to their mandate. Then you have Shraj boss. Shraj boss. A lot of petitions are burning in on you interested in that one. Mekaiber were many and relate the LED and relate the competition against Lawrence. Say Lawrence in about Tessica. They told us, boss don't want to say there's no money, there is no human resources. They don't have the Air Forces to work. They are handicapped. But for the Blair assembly by idea, Papa is none the money of for the Blair bus issue no by idea. He cream. Papa said Timothy, and the way he even described for the Blair. So you're small fish. To the same watching, I could do court. Don't you see what is happening? So those two people were appointed by President Mahama to frustrate the current government. Don't you see it? That they have an agenda? Don't you see the agenda? Currently, these two people, NCC boss, Shraj boss, Shraj, our mandate is to fight corruption. Have you seen them fighting corruption? Rather, meanwhile, NCC, Shraj, the mandate purposely is to fight corruption and to make corruption very attractive, to do everything to make sure that people who are corrupt are brought to book. They are not doing it. I'm going to tell you no and I say, institution, pressure, and can start here the corner of Solomon. Meanwhile, Matamidu office, and say, Shraj 1992. But I say 92 up to now. Corruption then the one who says are fighting. And I was so silly. The budget come on, we are not politics somewhere. And these people, they don't qualify to occupy those positions. I'm telling you for the man, they don't qualify. Quote me everywhere. And let them come and debate me everywhere. I'm able to take them on. They are the most two useless institutions. Taxpayers' money, they are more monocle. See a guy. Because we don't see their impact. They are not doing anything. On human rights issue, look at the abuses also. Human rights abuses also. Dollars is for you take to phone with you. So when they say team for who they take to how many people have confidence in the church? Human rights abuses are since 92 up to now. Mr. Hussein, have you seen the church fighting that canker? No. They are rather to fight for the play. They have been the resources can go on. They are fighting for the play. For the play must come account. They have fully said this issue of women passes. It is not a way. Push that they take on. So should rather take on for the play because it's about issues of the conflict of interest. And push that they take it. Now, Australia, Mukate, Munisika, and then when you're to me. When you're holding and the pursue for the blade. President Mama, fourth case, then about report to be on the buy. What did I say? And you can see clearly say NCC and SAT, these two institutions, no matter gang up. And I'm going to bring more revelation. Coming, this, you know. So the court time, appointing more time. I'm coming to come out with more revelation about their political activities and how we should deal with them. Because they are the most two useless institutions that and the constitution and institutions for Ghana. You need that, you need entity. Never can any of the power.
Lawyer Maurice Sampao, answer Abeba out with the revelations that will urge you, say, you will get closer to such institutions now. Who describe it as one you useless. And the Titurupa NCC. Na kwahwe eye challenges bia womo fam na hwe se no emerite womo adwumadi a ese womo didi boa
minya maka chaw say challenges dey nya wo challenges obi eni fo a wo challenges but
ebi dia susu lawyer
minya challenges bia no people someone do challenges minya until we die until we leave this earth we are facing challenges. Bible say man born of a woman is full of troubles. Challenges dey be dey bia me try to make my brother challenges am wo. Okay. Me challenges am wo.
Anyway, SCC issue no. But mostly any bottom challenges. Anyway, and me juma lawyer juma me because I make challenges wo. Ono tell you me nya wo. Challenges. Okay.
It please challenges is the better way. But out of challenges, people come out with solutions. People come out with do things excellently. What are they doing? Are they the only institutions going through the challenges? One can't tell my mother, my sorry, say he knows that he cannot do the work.
All right. Honestly speaking, I am NCC for the Todabia. Make with the fancy hands, but appropriate time you better come away today because NCC are one of the institutions for Ghana ha, and I feel pity for them. Minim say be a menu more a dinkutanwa na mako ye no maybe wo ho a mehu bibi internet sa. I know they mesre or the answer na odi bibi abeba bonten no. You do two social say now share na your facility to resign. Okay. Before you men tra ho and come and say your frustration and resign. All right. Now, Mame Famra a issue we say ya tadi Mayua miensen. Say possible the year remains be a woman coco ye or biaya na suspect na otie again the septic tank bimo. And then family one more said ya one more canon, one more yin rama bini. I was said ya some Kikimune cost one where I say a bit banter between the family and the police and when we get where they are found. Lawyer, are they we are finding a phantom anymore?
My question, I think, say, Ghana police follow are managing all more information well. The way all more money, all the information at to her was not properly managed because kidnapping and yet easy an issue. Only 1 day, 2 days, or rather the mystery. Because Omo kidnapping have various reasons and why they kidnap. If you kidnapping purposely for blackmailing purpose, if you kidnapping for sex trafficking, if you kidnapping for other various reasons, it is a way to be who the motive behind the kidnapping. And you need to take your time to get enough information and then limit yourself to those information. Now liaise with the family. And a more confidence and hope say, Mukuso, but don't come publicly and come and tell us what you are doing. Because I know public show you do. I'm more for now, you more. And to be address in the public, as your strategy and things. And now I'm kidnapping more information to go hide it. And the police for money, the police for that. But I also blame the family. The way they have controlled themselves. Someone need family head to speak, spokesperson to speak on their behalf. The family know, I mean, no out of frustration and stress, emotional pain, they have allowed themselves to be used, and they come out to insult, they come out to attack, they come out to doubt the system. So they say, oh, now Baira, and now be born national. Now we did it, the train. Oh, you police didn't hear, and I mean, the police was a moon guy. That's my thing. If you don't trust the police institution, if you don't trust the presidency, I say, look, they are not sleeping. And there's even pressure on them to deliver, because if they deliver now, a platform institution and the current government, it will be anyone on that. Now, police for the issue, I say, more doubt and I'm not many police for the public capacity. Obi a me ye dwuma now that me have one.
But lawyer, family no concerns no reason enye legitimate. Ebi ne say say ba beto abonten ye mame mame tiwa COP mame tiwa ba be kan say kwade wo mu safe. Wo mu ni ba bi omo wo edi to mba be yetwetwemu na wo matimi den kwade yaba yewra brand champon to the extent so ka say wo mu ni mo man a nkwada no ewo so wo mu nya intel abomugu so omu yetwetwemu na say later ekokoba say ye ba be frɛ abusuafo ye ba be ye DNA test enam say wo mo posifo sa akoka ndompe bi na no ye be ye sa DNA test na abusuafo ngitumu dia na to omu dia to mu say o made hye na firimu meanwhile information and wo no ntia no anya legitimate concern o mu raise
dabi media is part of the investigative process. Who investigations information when you one source point to a particular direction. Now, another information is you want to be sure, clear all doubt. Say, look, you want finding out, no, it has nothing to do with the girl. You must be sensitive. Tell me, I'll focus very because if I've done a day, no, source, but information, now I share a routine, say, for another routine. Now, when your information structure say, I will be able to see, your person clear that doubt, no, your system, what is wrong with it? It is better for you to cooperate. Because if even many information say lawyer power it too quite buchi no china obi will afie na ye person say lawyer power no ono ana otu kwai. What is wrong with that? And the police can say do eyankwala no that be almost some information no munya no person omo clear any doubt to cross say e bi yankwala no kwapo Ghana. It is that information in no media even trying to find out those skeletons, maybe I'm not only to people who are any Kualano. And you need to cooperate with the security agents. Look, they have a duty under section 41, Article 41 of our constitution. Say, Omambe Pia should cooperate with state institutions to help them to unravel a crime and to assist them to do their work. It's a duty, it's a national and civic duty. Who dare them to say they will not cooperate? Honestly, these are the indiscipline we have in the system. Then you limit the police. The police no investigation, but how much you that time? Why don't you have them to carry that out? What is wrong with that?
Okay. It is our decision in our family they taking and your decision, Papa.
And your decision, Papa. What I say, and show self who will be our person. Also, we are from Diana, Yashu Mama. Because Yashu Mama. Over information say Emmanuel Ewe fine. Yabeku nipa no kum nipa na obo amano kono yabeku bibi ewo ni fie. If you person clear that doubt to say yaye hu no e bia na is not related to your children. It's good. It's good. Now am I hwehwemu no ya de ni akire abochi no mo and information na you use e your conk. What you say? And if they happy okay cancel it in the bando issue no. I came out to say the police for no. My police for no. Chele. I predict say my police for no will never get any information because what did I see? They say nobody saw Castro and the department fall into that river. Obi home. And I told them at times, there are certain doubts we are saying they clear. There's a concrete information. They have seen something about human beings. They want to be sure that what is wrong? Now what can say? Me say and then me call na and the conversation say and who some problem that we expect. Momo dia mu jidi na ye di say to my the police for pay bin tana. Na mo fe jidi nye to ma me you do them be accepting for. You respect the rules and procedures. You respect the state institutions. You cooperate with them because it is in our own interest. Okay. Me bush bi na yire o e ya yeti ni ayi to bi pepe ye that me na say me fire rice ma da o di ase en ntino say mumu ma o ba yira na ye the taxpayers bond ye bua na ya hwehwe mo na mumu be kopita mo ntra we
the minim said they are working. Are you showing sympathy to the family and are you putting yourself into their shoes?
me put myself in my shoes, say, I feel for them, say, if your children, Muma, Irana, Obi, Buama, Muslim, but if you take a precise stand, say, we don't trust the police, the police can never find you, now the end of the day, my problem is that if you don't trust somebody, why do you work with the person?
Okay.
Then don't come and cry and blame the police and say, when they say they are not helping. Meaning, and yet no person in this country, a mean person, the president has come out in his talk, said they are doing everything possible. But if the president has shown that commitment, or so we do everything possible, or the president of the police force, the old IGP is gone. The new IGP want to make an impact. And the pressure that Thomas Sona, if they do be a more complicated, they establish your mind is there. That collier, you woman, and your mana, Muslim, with the Mumuja, and then when you won't be home, you want my age. What do I say? Yes, Ghana, me, they make us say, what's the now I'm Mama and car, I might be quitting him. Yes, and I will know you're quitting. And instead of people bury us, Omafuka who can from a Thomas who you refer to Kofanamuya, you won't need this from. Oh, yes, it is added to Yaminia, Yin Kualana, a kidnap between any journey you do. It doesn't bring food on our table. When the Mabusa volunteers say, Galata Mayano, and solve Ghana problems. It is when your problem. Now, minding your problem here, bonus of now, so Uber headache, Uber Baptist State Institution, Uber Maya politicizing the whole matter. Uber my ABD police for them, Uber my Ubijuma Bona, and I'm about bad guys or more.
Lawyer Nadia and Opel Busia for ye, Elton Capadia, Ombufu.
Oh, Ombufu, and no quality about me, can quality, Ubufu, Adam is coming no quality. Namusu you say no quality. And to Mubufumia, I got some book, almost some name more than Pau. Or there's a Mubufumia, almost for me, Matem, almost for Munchum could be done with me, a bit of Makama judge of the say, Obi Boa, Una Ubayra, Una Muna Mubayra. And now, Muna is a cooperative state institution, national mamma. That's a moment cooperative, more than state institution. Now, most more can the Yamuda. And any say it's a bit because one cooperative, now you test the DNA test, no, that's it, no, and you're sure say, and your mama, now much the hoa, now most more can say mama, and the state so much time. That's my problem. There will be much of time. And the Busano do at all, maybe, can't say, Kuala, I will be there. No. And you'll be at that, but tax response election woman. Second, you remember tax response election to Mumma, the Kana election, Colano, I won't say.
Okay. And none of pay that says only in common. Nago.
Who's ye or ha? Actually, Punk no. Needs FM.